How do pop-up matcha drink stands make purple matcha drinks? They usually make them by combining green matcha with purple ingredients such as butterfly pea flower tea, ube, or purple sweet potato. The purple color often comes from butterfly pea flowers, which are dried flowers brewed in hot water to make a naturally blue tea. When something acidic, such as lemon juice, is added, the blue tea can shift toward purple or pink. A drink stand may first whisk matcha with cool water until it becomes smooth and foamy, then pour it over milk, ice, and the purple tea mixture. Some stands use ube or purple sweet potato powder instead, which gives a stronger purple color and a sweet, dessert-like flavor. These ingredients are different from artificial food coloring because they also add their own taste. Butterfly pea tea is mild, while ube tastes creamy and slightly nutty. A little acidity can change the flower tea's color, so adding lemon slowly helps control the final shade. To make one at home, brew butterfly pea tea, let it cool, add a small amount of lemon, pour it over milk and ice, and carefully add whisked matcha on top. One common mistake is using too much lemon, which can make the drink sour and cause the milk to separate, so add only a few drops at a time. Another mistake is assuming every purple matcha drink uses the same ingredient, because butterfly pea tea creates a color effect, while ube creates a richer flavor and thicker texture. A third mistake is pouring matcha directly into hot milk, which can make it taste bitter, so whisk it separately with cool or lukewarm water first. Also, very bright purple drinks may contain coloring, so ask what creates the color if natural ingredients matter to you. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.